Hello everyone, I'm Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video, we are going to see that how we can display the error message while we register the user if any error occurs basically, right? So few things to remind you like, okay, of course, while I was recording, I will like forgot to press the record button and I started explaining the things. So I just need to input this message thing, okay, this one, and also you need to write this line over here, okay? That's it, and you should be good. Once you do that, let's go to register page. Okay, so in today's video we are only going to show the this show the error message for the register page, and for the login page I'm going to create a separate video for that because I don't want to, you know, go and like create a long video. Okay, so here I will say if here I will say form dot non underscore filled underscore errors. Then here I can say diff dot alert alert space alert hyphen danger. Okay, and here I'll just copy this, copy, paste it. Okay, control S. Now here to validate the username, okay, we are going to do some operations in the class field. Okay, command Z. Yeah, here. Now we will keep this form control class as it is, and here I will say if form dot username dot errors, then here I am going to add the class which is under hyphen invalid. Okay, and then I'll just close the if loop. Okay, save this one. Let's go to Chrome. Let's try. Yeah, you can see this thing is working, actually is invalid. Okay, but we will do one more thing. After this placeholder we will say value form, sorry, form dot username value default underscore if underscore none, then this. Okay, so if there is nothing inside the username, then it should be none. Okay, am I logged in? Yeah, so you can see if even if the username field is empty, it is not going to, you know, give me the red field. So if I try to register, you can see this is going to give me a red field. See? Okay, now let's go to VS Code back. Now here we will display the error message. Okay, so the error message is going to be same as this one. Okay, command C, command B. Here I can write comment display username error, and here I'm going to say username dot errors. Okay, same thing goes here as well. Save. Let's see whether it is displaying the error message or not. Save that, refresh over here. It is displaying the error message, all right? And here it should be, sorry, invalid hyphen feedback. Refresh. See, we are getting this error message in the under the username field, all right? Okay, let's go and do the same thing for all the fields. All right, now it's turn for the email field. So here, what I'm going to do is I'll just copy this thing, paste it over here. I'll say email. All right, and I'll copy this thing too. Oh shit, sorry. Hey, I'm new to MacBook, so it will take time to be used to it. Email, email. Cool. This should work. Email. So everything is done. So this is for the email. Email over here too. Okay. Now let's go and do the same thing for the password. So copy this one. Okay. Come over here, paste it. We'll say password one. Copy. Oops. Now we will now copy this one. I can copy this password one, paste that over here. Now I'll copy this one, come over here, paste it. I'll say password one, password one, password one. And same thing goes for password two. So copy this, paste that one, copy this, paste that over here, and copy this and paste that over here. I think this should be good, but we need to do password two. So instead of password one, we'll do password two everywhere. Okay, save. Let's go to the Chrome, refresh, and here I can say admin, admin at the rate admin.com, admin and admin. Try to register. Now it is showing the error messages. So if I do admin2, I can say yes, register. Password is too short. Register. Okay, so the user has been registered. Right? If I log out and go to register user, I say admin2, admin at admin.com, admin, admin, and let's check for the email. Why is it not showing? Okay, copy, paste, register. Okay, so it is registering the user with the same email ID. How? Let me log out, go to admin panel, log in again. Put users. So yeah, it is allowing user to log in, register the user with the same email ID. So I think we need to fix it. So we will fix it in our next video. So yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.